Morning guys, October 30th, 2025. So anyway, I gotta go winterize a cottage. I do every year. It's got like a main house and then he's got a little cottage on the side that they winterize the cottage. I usually leave the heat onto the house. It's like in a summer home type of thing. But the cottage is well, I'm gonna go winterize. It's a summer home, you know. I mean, they don't live there year round, so. Yeah, we got a couple of dead mice down here. This one here's Skeletor. I gotta make some kind of cart where I could drag this thing, because it's gotta kind of, you know, move the stuff, and I got my knee pads on here because it's. Oh, I got another one here. I got multiple offenders here. Another Skeletor. Skeletor, I gotta get down there and plug my light in so I could see. I got the shut off here. It's going out feeding the cottage. We got a 1-inch line going out and feeding the going down under the ground and feeding the cottage, the water line. I'm gonna blow it up. Gonna put some compressed air to it and blow out the water lines in the cottage. Got my compressor here. I just want to take the pressure off it. Daddy long leg. Take the pressure off it. I'll put 60 pounds to it. This is like a crawl space down here, so a little water ain't gonna hurt nothing. Pounds. That's about what I want. Now put 60 pounds to that and we can go blow it out. I got these two shut-offs here. There's a little outside shower on the house. I did change the filter in the furnace there. Heat pump. Change the filter. I did clean this filter the best I could here for this little dehumidifier that's down here. This is the main house here. That should be off now. I should be able to. Leave that open. This was the main house. To make sure these are all off. This is one of those queer ass expandable ones. I like to take that off if I can. I don't like these aluminum fittings. Sometimes they'll corrode on there. You can't get them off. But that really should be taken off. I gotta shut the water heater off. That's gotta be off. I gotta put a tag on that. And all the heat's gonna be off. All electric heat. They turn that water heater on with no water and it'll cook it. I don't know why they got that partially open like that. Look at this shit. Look at this fucking stuff. This is ridiculous. That's new. Somebody replaced it. It's dumping down underneath, but this is something. This is new. I don't know who did that work, but handy job. That's not me. Joe Homeowner. Yeah. Joe Homeowner. Drain the water heater first. The hot water, all the water out of the water heater, then we'll do the rest. It should be all drained out by now. No, not yet. There's still water in it. Eureka! That's this valve. If I open it up, it'll leak right out the top. It's not leaking from the gasket, it's leaking from around the... Weird. I got this thing tight. I got a good gasket in there. It almost looks like that gasket's bad. I'm gonna try changing it. Put a new one in there. Might be cracked. Got my washers. I should have all kinds of... I like to use these. These gaskets here are good. Got all kinds of different gaskets in here that I need. Got my new refrigerant rack. 1, 2, 3, 4 50s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 30s. Well, we gotta deal with 4 different type of refrigerants now. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 50s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 30s. Yeehaw! New gasket, we'll try it. Try it with a new gasket. It should work better now. Can't have it leaking. Should be able to open that thing up full bore. She's doing a funky chicken, Mama. She's doing a funky chicken. Alright. That's empty. Around and through the hot and the cold. Oh, somebody took the aerator out. Do the hot. Whoa! Got a live one here. We got a live one. Got a live one, Mama. We got a live one, Mama. I did flush the toilet. I gotta pump this water out yet, but the siding, they don't even screw it back into the wood. Yeehaw. What the flip? Look at this shit. I gotta take that plug off the bottom there. I'm not a big fan of this style, but that's what they did. Look at this shit. You got a post from hell, mama. Little leaker. Put these, I would have put regular ball valves, you know, that's how I would have did it, but it's not me. I didn't do this job. So he's a dribbler. Little leaker. I'm gonna go inside and do some more. I'll come back out there and do this after. Around, make sure everything. One more time. It's always good to do it twice. I'm gonna pump this water out of here yet. .3/8 socket will go right in the bottom of that thing. I'll loosen up that plug so it leaks out. Any water will drip out of there. We're gonna leave this open. We're gonna crack these just a little bit. Shouldn't be any more water in there, but leave them loose. Leave them loose as a goose. I'll leave this open here. This is loose. These are loose. Pump all the water out of everything, so everything's winterized. Don't worry about nothing freezing. This door's open. I was gonna go shut off my pump in the basement. Leave that's open there. This goes down 4 feet under the ground and then up into the cottage. I got it off with the ball valve and I left this open and the cottage is all open.